Hello everyone, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and I've got a gorgeous collection to share with you today. It is Herbarium, like herbs, but Herbarium Wild Summer by Scrapmir paper, a paper line that we import from Ukraine, which is going to feature all the loveliness of nature, including butterflies and flowers, wood, lace, and so much more. Take a look at this gorgeous paper line with me, which we have currently in the 12 by 12, 8 by 8 single sheets, additional sheets, as well as other complementary sheets, including tickets and fussy cut images, and not to mention the ephemera pack. The reason why I'm actually focusing on this collection today is because I will be using it in an upcoming project, so I figure I'd give you a preview of what I'm going to be using, and then later on, of course, I will be sharing with you the video or completed project that I've made with this collection, so enjoy.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days. Daydreamer, kidnap me, have me running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. Have me running around, dressed in a gown, barefoot.
Well, I hope you have enjoyed that collection walkthrough. Isn't it beautiful? It is currently available in our online stores as well as 1,000 more products. So please be sure to visit our small business online store, which is spectrumartcreations.com or sacscrafts.com for short. Also, don't forget to visit our Etsy store, Spectrum Art Creations, all one word. Both stores have different product, so make sure that you check out both for fantastic products from all around the world. And speaking of which, if you have not joined us for our live sales on Saturday, yes, live sales right here on this channel, all you have to do is come back to our channel on Saturdays and join us for our live sales where you can chat live, shop live, enter games and giveaways, see products from all around the world at the best prices, of course, and do it all from the comfort of home. You get to participate live, shop live, and of course, get your stuff directly shipped to your home in a matter of a day or two and enjoy your new crafting goodies. Also, if you are on Instagram, don't forget to give us a follow because we also share product and creations and classes there as well. And if you are on Facebook, you definitely want to join the Facebook group. It is Spectrum Art Creation Friends. Don't forget the friends at the end, because that is the group where we have great, fantastic artists from the very beginning and elementary level all the way up to advanced, all kinds of different genres, card making, die making, mixed media, all kinds of great artists that share their journals and everything else that they make in the group. So come and join the group. You will always be in the know. Of course, if you have not heard of Spectrum Art Creations Academy, we hope that you will check it out, because the SACs Academy is a great place to get exclusive content, including classes, workshops, craft-alongs, and so much more, as you can see here. So make sure you check it out and join today. It is the best $10 a month that you will spend. It is a monthly recurring, of course, cancel anytime, but definitely be sure to check it out for all the benefits as you see on here. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. We really appreciate your thumbs up as well as your comments. Make sure you leave a comment. We just might pick someone from chat to give away one of these great sheets from this collection, or maybe 2, or maybe 3, depending on the amount of comments that we get. So be sure to leave a comment down below letting us know what you think of this line. And of course, we hope that you will subscribe to the channel for additional tutorials, classes, as well as check out this next video for some further inspiration. Thank you so much for joining us today in the studio, and we will see you on the next video. Bye!